My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the Dent coin. Dent coin currently price prediction. Dent coin price is occur at this time, and I'm also telling you discuss about the price change occur in the Dent coin in the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price change occur. I discuss in this video, so keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and update, friends. Anyways, let's start the video, friends. Let's see what's going in this time in the Dent coin. As you can see here, if you look the price is occur in the Dent coin, so the pricing has gone better. 0.007949 USD dollar is the currently price of the Dent coin, friends. And friends, if you look the price changes occur in the Dent coin, so the last 1 hour, only the last 1 hour price change is positive, friends, except after the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, that these both changes are negative, friends. Only the last 1 hour price change is positive, friends. So what's the reason behind that? Why the Dent coin previous price of the is negative, friends? Let's see the price chart of the Dent coin of the last 1 day, friends. Friends, as you can see here, if we do a technical analysis for the ledger time, so as you can see here, let's suppose that is a support line, and this is a resistance line, friends. So now, friends, at this time the Dent coin, as you can see at this time, they fast down, and after a fast they gradually start moving upward, friends. And now at this time they again fast down, friends. And I hope my prediction is that after this some fast they again take a jump. And I hope I'm clear, I'm sure that they can break this resistance line. And as you know that when the resistance line break, that's mean that the big pump occur at this time, friends. So I hope that they can break the resistance line. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box. That's my personally prediction, friends. And friends, if we talk about the prices occur in the Dent coin in the last 1 day in the 24 hour, so the pricing is about negative 10.88% change occur in the Dent coin, friends. And if we look the price, highest price of the Dent coin, so 0.009008 USD dollar is the currently highest price of the Dent coin, friends. So friends, what's your prediction? My prediction is positive. I think that a big pump is coming soon in the Dent coin. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box. And I'm very excited to see the pump of the Dent coin. What's your impression? Please tell me in the comment box. And kind of friends, don't forget to subscribe. Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.